Spending without saving or investing is another trap that many people have. It's a money trap that, you think that you think your income is what generates wealth, but no, income is not. Your income really has nothing to do with wealth. It's what you're investing in, such as a home ownership. If you neglect home ownership, you want to make sure that, if you have a home, you're able to not neglect the maintenance of a home, repairing a home, be a responsible homeowner. Homeowners can mismanage their homes too because they end up not having anything. I know during the homeowner crisis, the home real estate crisis in the 2005, 2006, 2007, a lot of people refinanced and took the money out of their house and went shopping to keep up with the Joneses. That is not responsible home ownership. You want to make that is a debt trap. That is a real debt trap because your house is no longer a asset for you, because that house is the asset is the net value of it. Is the value of the house minus any debt that you owe. That is what your value in the house is. So if you refinance that house up to the wazoo, when it went up and the market goes down, that's why most people went upside down in their mortgages and they had to file for short sale, or it was repossessed, or whatever it is, foreclosed on, and those type of things. So you want to make sure that you're being a responsible homeowner if you are part of our middle class, and you want to make sure that you're saving for those expenses. Because if you're not saving for those expenses, your financial security is not going to be well sound, and you're going to end up, your net worth is going down because you're taking out of your home, you're taking out of your asset, you're bleeding that asset. The other things that you need to think about is that, you don't need to rely on yourself. Building wealth has to do with not just yourself on what you need. Rely on other people around you for knowledge, for partnerships. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.